Biscuit, your future is not blocked by a lack of opportunity. It's blocked by an outdated identity. Most people try to change results before they change themselves, and that never lasts. I've spent years helping people uncover why they stay stuck in cycles they secretly hate. Hey, I'm the Teaspoon I Stir the Recalibration Club, where people stop living unconsciously and start designing who they become. The real problem is your nervous system protects familiar identity, even when that identity is frustrating you. So here's a practical NLP shift. Stop saying, I'm trying to build a business, and start saying, I am a business builder. Language directs attention, and attention shapes your behavior. Your behavior repeated will become your identity. The recalibration challenge starts on the 1st of June. Join us.